Okay. Whoa!
Whoa is right. Ever wondered how mouth guards, dentures, and dental implants were made? Well, you're about to find out. Welcome to Lux Dental, personal manufacturing at its finest.
We do manufacture here. This manufacturing is a little bit different because it's very specific. It's not like a line where everything is the same. It's everything's different. Every patient has a different, impression, different configurations, so on and so forth. So it's manufacturing, but it's very specific.
Have to be concerned with customer care, quality control, and just in general, the whole direction of the business to make sure it's going the right direction.
I would say the coolest part of my job is knowing what a difference we're actually making in other people's lives. A lot of times we'll get letters and calls from patients that talk about how much it has changed their life. Not just being able to chew and eat, but it actually gives them the ability to express themselves more accurately. So much of what we communicate to other people is through smiling, laughing, how we express ourselves facially. So a lot of times we take that for granted. So when these patients get their dental restorations back in their mouths, they're able to go to the party, throw their head back with laughter, and really be able to shine again and be able to be themselves of how they truly want to express themselves without hiding. And I think being a part of that and knowing that we made that difference is the coolest part of working in a dental laboratory.